um, and I think after doing this for 4 years, I can relax a little bit. I don't need to sit here and show off how much money I can make. Um, I have a reputation, and so no need to try to keep building a reputation of, I guess. I just don't need a reputation built solely on just how much money I can make. That's where it started, but then, people copied, obviously. So we got to find something new. But do an order test, because I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. Yeah. Very laggy. Mm. Yeah, the action to start the day is not that great. Good morning, Blair Caburo. Got a little bit of a pop here on this POAI, but now selling pressure. It's not looking super amazing. Oh, wow. Ah, frickin' heck. What the? Man, it's just goofy action. And it's sized down. Because now I'm down 70. I'm not even sure how I'm down 70 already. There we go. Made some money there. But then it comes right back down. Look at that. So, I would call this very contested. You could call it choppy. It's just green team's got it, and then red team kind of comes in, and then green team comes back in, and it's kind of a tug of war. We're just like stuck in this. Is there anything breaking out that I'm missing? Let me get my scanners. Here it is, breaking out on volumes down here. POAI, ONF. Now let's see what's going on over here. Oh, wow. These sub dollars are really just hot right now. They won't be forever. And that one I kind of already missed. I'm going to stick with this one and see. I'm trying to avoid the sub dollars as much as possible, but we may have to start trading them today. I'm just going to keep scalping this POAI while we still got something on it. Wow, that's impressive. This might be the stop out of shorts. Yes, this looks like a stop out. I stopped out. Yeah, it does look like a stop out. Ah, frick. I bet you I'm going to miss it. This damn thing. That's all? That's all? Got a little bit of a good trade here, trying to add for the bigger move. This looks pretty promising. There we go. Sold 2/3. Sold the other third. Gets me up $950 on the day. Wow. Still continuing to go. Why did it stall there at 49? So yeah, the sub dollars have been hot lately, and that's nothing new. I mean, it's ebb and flow. Ebb and flow. You go through periods where the sub dollars are strong, and you go through periods where the $10 ones are strong. Now, when the $10 to $20 stocks, when they're strong, that's when we make the most money. You just remember that. Because that's where 50-50 works the best. Because taking those quick dip trades, market in, market out. Oh, come on. I'm trying to just catch like something where it breaks out, but it pops and then drops. Oh, I only lost $58. See, the share sizing is way different on this. I don't know the rhythm of this one super well. It's not what I wanted to do. What the? Meh. Let me come back over here. I don't know. I just find it a little bit easier just to pull 4 pennies out of here. You know, that's me. What are you guys thinking, viewers? You guys vibing with the sub dollars, or are you liking POAI? No. Ah. Ah, shoot. Just thought we'd get a rebound there. Lost $100 at least there. 5 minute doesn't look so good on this one. Five minute don't look so good. Let's zoom out of this thing here. Ah, shoot. I just took a big loss there. I added way too high. Oh, oh, that hurts. That hurts. As that happens, then Peggy breaks out too, which is annoying because Peggy is. I'm just gonna jump in and see what happens. And that only puts me up a little bit. So yeah, with those sub dollars, your share sizing has to be different. I'm bummed about POAI. That I messed up on. I'm not too happy about that. It's also a problem because I have my share size limited to 3,600, which is just not enough share size. It's like not enough. I'm going to take an overall look at this stock here. See if we can get a rebound. Oh, wow. Sellers are taking it. It's just not that great of a market to begin with. 75 likes already. Thank you. Wow. Just lost 2 pennies, not. In at 69. Yeah. Frick. That is frustrating. Me, of all people, should be able to nail these higher priced. Or lower priced. Maybe go see how the trading dad's doing. Ray-Bans made in Japan. So I had $1,000. I actually had $1,200 today, and then I threw it all away. Just trying to see if we get a reversal on this at one point. So hyper scalping, dip within the rip, probably more so Peggy, but the sub dollar. So just understand it's gonna be a little different. This one, oh wow, yeah, that's a no. When it drops like that, that's a no. Should not snap like that. Well, I should have taken my $1,000 when I had it. That's for sure. Okay. What's the name of this one? Peggy? There's a lot of selling up here. I bailed on that. Of course, the one I do get aggressive on, I do not get the profit I was looking for. ONFO is starting to heat up. This is not the same vibe. Lost 171 on this. Oh, well, that's too bad. Like, that takes me down to a small green day. Oh well. How are you guys doing? Green? You guys green? LIDR, okay. Okay. Yeah, I finally did get a haircut. Oh, wow. I don't think Peggy... I can't believe I even traded it. I can't believe I even traded it. I traded it late, though, too, which sucks. Okay, POAI. This is our only hope. Market's been weak for far too long. We are due. We are due. Never mind. I'm not gonna bring it up. I'm not gonna bring it up. Okay. LIDR. Yeah, that's done. Okay, LO. What's the float on that one? That one's a maybe. Nah, we're still in this garbage market. Ah, frick. This is looking like a rebound. Should. I unloaded 30,000 shares there for a loss. I'm basically break even on the day. That's all right. That's not something to be too upset about. Although I am upset. But that looked like it was going to go, dude. If I would have went with 30,000 shares, I would have been golden, bro. That's too bad. We'll try again. Because I feel like we might still get a rebound. And I did get out of that. With 30,000 shares, I got out with like a 1 cent loss. That's pretty tight. Order execution on it was actually really good as well. Really? I can't believe that this thing is rejecting like that. Actually, I do believe it. How can this not be working? Yeah, so I'm flat on the day. I started just doing Hail Marys on this POAI, looking for a dub pattern, and got stopped out of all of them. Now I'm sitting flat on the day. Dang, these sub dollars are sucking the market dry. We'll just be patient, because market will come back. I get STSS. I should have just taken my $1,000. Quite frustrated now. STSS is going. The sub dollars are in like a little mini hot market. Let's see if this flushes out. Yeah, no. It's kind of already given us an idea of what it wants to do. I'm actually down $100 on this, so I've lost $700 on this in the last good bit. Wow. Wow, this thing really is just weak. That's too bad. That is too bad. On another day, this thing would be good. But not today. So anyways. This is too extended. This actually looks good. I'll keep an eye on this. This is my only hope. This is my only hope today. Because I missed all the sub dollars, I feel. Oh, wow. Ah, brutal. Brutal. If I hold... That sums up today. If this breaks through 218, I'm going to lose my mind. There it goes. Frick. I should have known better, bro. I wanted to get the... So a little bit of life here. The pattern did work. 208 to 222. Hit that with 30,000 shares. I'd be up $4,000 right there. But the risk was a little too high because of the fact that this was not showing a lot of strength. And so it wasn't for sure that we were going to get a move like this. But I'm red, clearly. What time is it? 9 o'clock. Take the 2 pennies. I don't know. It's almost easier just to pull 2 pennies out of here than sub-dollar ripping, but oh, it's continuing. Bastard. Bastard. Oh, I know. Watch this ribbon to a halt up. What the heck? I want to try to be green. This is not that good of a stock. See, like, look at that. We get out there break even. Did it even get me out break even? Yeah, it did. Okay. Yeah, it's just not that good. Fortunately, this is where the power is at. Fortunately. This is not going to end well. I can't get a single dollar together. Where's even my P&L on the day? Ooh. I don't even want to look at it. I don't even want to look at it. It's not good. It's definitely not green. That's for sure. I gotta just figure something out here. It's just like all the big entries I've taken today failed. Yeah, I got a haircut. There we go. Now we got some money, boys. Now we got some money. And shout out to Blair, because this trade I was watching the chart. Okay, and so Blair and I have been going back and forth on what should we be watching, and there's no right or wrong answer. And that's the truth. Okay, so but for me, sometimes I get so consumed with the time and sales and level 2 that I forget about the chart. So I've actually been going back to what Blair has been doing, which is putting a little bit more. And I have been telling myself this for a while. Okay. And it's just kind of now that Blair has been talking about it, now I'm like, you're right. For me personally, I need to spend a little bit more time watching the chart while I'm in the trade. That's all I'm saying. Whole market is dead. Whole market is dead. So nice. I picked up some good money on STSS. LiDAR. Oh, this is not a cheap stock. Let me see what's going on here. Okay. So, yeah, but that You know what they like to do is so wait for that sign of people being stopped out and then get in. Ah, darn it. Darn it. I don't know. That puts me up 500 bucks on the day. And it's just not been my day. This has been okay, this POAI. Unfortunately, not the best, though. The sellers are quite aggressive on this one. Hey, well, POAI, yeah, it's just kind of light volume is the problem. I like the look of it, but it's kind of the same pattern as a LiDAR. SPCE. Yeah, let's take a look. SPCE. $1.14. Yeah, so just a slow, I wouldn't even say slow market. It's just a sub-dollar market, which today we did hit sub-dollar. I'd be up $2,000 right now if I still had my other bit of profit. So 92 likes, that's good. I'm trying to see if I can catch another trade on STSS. There's no reason why I shouldn't be able to make money on this. It's the patterns are the same, you know. It's just a little bit different level 2 going on. It's just the patterns are the same. As long as it's a low float, you know, that's the key. Is it low float? If it is, then it is. Good thing I didn't go short. So picked up a couple $100 there. Rejected. As there's not sufficient shares available. Oh, buzz off, you bugger. So we got $1,000 on this STS. There's more money to be made, no doubt. There's more money to be made. I don't know. There's like a really nasty squeak on my truck, on my pickup. up here on the farm, and I think it's the ball joints. Although I just put in a ball joint, so maybe the one I put in is bad. And I put it in incorrectly. You know, that could be. Peggy. I had money on Peggy for a bit. Should be bought up here, but I am not trading Peggy anymore. STSS is better. STSS is way better. STSS is way better than that garbage. I should probably be done trading for the day. I didn't lose too much money. I lost a little bit though. I have 500 bucks on the day. That's it. How are you guys doing? I'm sorry to hear that, K27. You may need to take a couple days off. I'm out. It's just a bad day. Yeah, I'm not. I don't enjoy these sub-dollar days either. And in fact, I should have just stayed in that trade. What is going on here? What is going on? Garbage is what's going on. Hold on. What just happened over here? Nah, this thing's still doing the same garbage. The same garbage. The first rebound on STS? Yeah. I missed a few rebounds. That's for sure. $103 likes already, guys. Appreciate it. POAI might do something. POAI. I can't believe I had $1,000 on this ticker and then I lost it all. It's not a big deal. Keep an eye on POAI. POAI. POAI, baby. If we could go for a big trade here, that'd be fantastic. That'd be absolutely fantastic. Trying to see if this rips back to VWAP. Ah, shoot. I should have known. I probably sold out way too soon. But my fear was it was going to flush. And still, yeah, this thing's not ideal. The pattern is something that usually you'd expect to rip, but this one is, again, obviously we're going for the 230 and 231. This thing has the potential to heat up, but. If I had $1 for every time I said but. Nah, that fell out of support, so that's got to be done. I'm glad to pull out $1,000 out of there. That was really, nice. This is just a grindy thing. I should have known. Oh, wow, now I just went short. Really? Now that I'm short, it's going to work. I bet it's going to pop up. Yeah, this looks like it's going to go short. I mean, it's going to pop. There we go. Come on, give me a flush of all flushes. Give me the flush of all flushes, please. I might go short more here. Rejected. I get into these accidental short positions and I like try to see if they turn into like some big winning trade. I'm going to cut it there. Puts me down 252 on this. That's not fun. That is not fun. That leaves me up not very much on the day, fortunately. LiDAR. Yeah, I'm getting to the point of shutting this baby down. Sure enough. Wow. This is just tricky because the signals I'm getting like are, it's fakes me out a lot. I do, Jay. I do. Man, I'm getting hungry. I guess made a 700 on the day. Like, I should probably just shut down and go enjoy the farm as I was intending to do today. But because I just haven't quite made what I like to make in a day, which is about 2,000, I feel like I have to keep trading. But what's the point? I became a trader for free time. But I do want to stay for POAI because if this thing continues going, could be some easy money here for scalping. So we got 111 likes already. That's impressive. Very impressive. So a little bit of a pullback here. Um. Darn it. Of course. I can't seem to make money on this ticker. I'm not dialed in on the rhythm super well. Just selling for little wins here and there. That's all we're doing. 238 open. Alt up 277 POAI. Starting to fall out of shorts' control a little bit. Shorts are going to try hard here. Can't go short. It's like every time I want to go short, can't do it. Every time I don't want to do it, makes me go short. You can't make this stuff up. Can't make this stuff up. It's ridiculous. Um. Sorry. Sorry, boys. Can I get a man? Okay, I gotta get dialed in on this gosh darn thing. $238 open. I had to get out of there. That 5 minute don't look good. Frick. That turned into a short. I thought that looked promising there for a second. Okay, what am I doing? Not trading very well, that's for sure. I'd like to catch a rebound on this. Ah, I'm an idiot. I should have just shut down. I gotta be done for the day. I just stopped out for $1,000 loss. That puts me down red on the day. Wasting time and wasting money. Wasting time and wasting money. I'm gonna try to get my money back. I'm gonna gamble a little bit today. Feel like gambling. I'm not rushing into it. I gotta put a little bit more effort into this trade if I'm gonna get out alive. But yeah, I should have not. I should have. I mean, I lost $1,000. It's not cool. It's not good. But we're gonna try to get it back. Gotta stay out of it. I did a FOMO trade for the loss. For the big L. Lost $1,000, man. Up 700 to down 250, 286. I got obliterated. I thought it was gonna be the one trade to get me to green. It sucks. It sucks, no doubt. Just wasting time. Did I get out at 19? Yeah, I did. Well, shoot. This thing just Christmas treed down. I gave back all my profit on it. I'm trying to see if I can get my money back. I don't think I'm going to be able to. INSM. I'm not going to switch to it yet. LiDAR's going. I had money today. I had $1,000 at like the start of the day. I threw it all away. The question is this thing coming lower? Below 211. See, this thing's like a grinder, so like in order for me to make money on this, I'm gonna have to hold it for a while. How much does that put me down? 400. Farmer. Oh well. Farmer tried. It wasn't that great of a day to begin with. If I was to be honest, it wasn't that great of a day to begin with. Ugh. Trying to see if I can catch one rebound trade and see if I can get my money back. But it seems a little dangerous. This is the exact kind of trading I've been warning myself against. Saying it's not 50-50. Wow. Wow.